English Junior Dictation. Ready? Start. Mr. Chairman, dear parents, I am happy to take part in the annual day event of your school. The chairman of your committee spoke about the development of your school in the past and the plan for development in the future. I am happy to know that a school for girls has also been opened 2 years ago. In this connection, I have been requested to open a new building that has been put up with the help of money given by the parents organization. This ward, when completed, will enable your school to start higher level classes. I wish the organizers every success. Further, I would like to congratulate the headmaster who has been given the gold medal by the government for his work as the best teacher. I have heard from the other teachers as well as we parents that the headmaster has been paying his attention in developing the boys and girls very well with a view to make them the best people of the country. In this connection, you will be happy to know that the government are spending large sums of money for giving education. We are happy that during the last few years the progress in the field of education at different levels is quite good. Our boys and girls who have gone to several other countries are doing work there. However, the government desires to improve the level of education further so that our country can make quick progress along with the other developed countries of the world. I would like to take this opportunity to request the teachers to keep up the high level of teaching and the parents to continue to cooperate with the teachers in training their children in the best manner. Dear parents, I am glad to note that you have a strong organization. You should establish an association, a strong binding force to look into the needs of your children and suggest ways and means for making them a worthy citizen of tomorrow. The headmaster, the school authorities, and other officers will do their best to motivate the children and bring their talents. You must always remember that today's children are the future leaders of the country and hence every opportunity must be given to them to prove their ability in all their future endeavors. I have now very great pleasure to open the building. Dear Sars, please refer to our letter of 10th instant informing you about the new arrivals of and asking you to place your orders at the earliest possible to take the maximum advantage. But unfortunately, we have not yet received any reply from you. As brought out clearly in our last letter, we have reduced the prices of a number of items of textile possible that you will have doubts about the quality of our goods now offered to you because the when compared to those offered by other mills yellow. In this connection, we would like to assure you that the quality of our goods will, under all circumstances, be as good as ever. The reason as to why we are able to dispose of our stocks at these rates is that a short time ago we have made purchase of a large quantity of textiles of many varieties on a most favorable terms. Thanking you, yours faithfully.